Hi folks, Dr. Leitner here, and this video is a short walkthrough of the instructions for Discussion Board 2, Who is your audience? And if you look at all the discussion board topics, you'll see they're all framed as questions, which means these questions should be the topics that you guys are discussing in the discussion boards. So that's kind of a taste of what's in the discussion board, but for what's in there specifically, you're going to click on these instructions here. And this is the discussion board that explains the kind of imaginary context of this course, which is that you are a research assistant hired by a nonprofit to research projects that NPO or nonprofit can engage in. And your audience is a guy named Dr. Walt Longmire, who has particular personality quirks that are detailed in the background here. But those are just his personality. His values in terms of what he believes in to be worthy of study, that's kind of up to you, because you are choosing the NPO, and then Walt Longmire is just the head of research for that. So, and he's going to be your audience for all of the projects. So that's why it's important to nail this down and define this early in the semester. So that's our goal, is to pick our NPO in this discussion board, and I'm kind of giving you an exercise to lead you through that process. So first of all, you're going to pick 5 or 6 that you might consider. For each one, you're going to go to their About page and quote the purpose or mission statement that they have there, and then you're going to comment on that as to why you think that is one that you would like to work for. And so here I've got an example of what you might put for each NPO, and below I have a list of values that you might choose or that you might scroll through just to give you ideas about what types of values you might want to support, because it's kind of an abstract question if someone says, well, what are the values of this organization? Okay, that's discussion board 2. Thank you, and keep working, and let me know if you have questions.